Looking for the best compact washer and dryer set for your apartment or to fit into a tight space? Here's our top 5 picks to consider in 2019. Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances, New Jersey and New York's premier interactive appliance showroom. A visit to our store is well worth your time, where you can experience firsthand the latest in home appliances and save money with our exclusive offerings. The main reason most people consider a compact washer and dryer is because their laundry room or laundry closet is very small. Compact washers and dryers are narrower in width and shallower in depth, making them ideal for tight spaces. The most popular setup for compact laundry is stacked, with a washer on bottom and dryer on top. For some, stacking is the only option. However, for others, stacking frees up valuable floor space. We're also seeing a trend where some of our customers are replacing a single full-size laundry set with 2 pairs of stacked compact laundry, giving them the ability to run multiple loads simultaneously. Our top pick for most people is Miele. Miele, without question, makes the absolute best compact washers and dryers. Miele used to be unattainable for most, with price tags nearing $4,000 for a set. Now, however, Miele offers an entry-level pair that can be had for around $2,400. Since Miele is top rated for energy use, certain states like New Jersey, where we are, offer a $300 energy rebate, which brings the price even lower. Miele has 4 different washers and 3 different dryers. They're all based on the same core cleaning and drying platform, so no matter which unit you choose, you'll get great performance. However, the more expensive models will tack on additional convenient features. Miele is unique for a number of reasons. For starters, the build quality and longevity of these units is top-notch. Miele tests all washers and dryers for 20 years of use. When you keep that in mind, the higher than average price point isn't so bad. Next, they focus heavily on fabric care. The unique honeycomb drum combined with specialty wash and dry cycles makes sure your clothes look new for longer. When it comes to installation, contractors and builders love Miele because they're by far the easiest to install and have the fewest requirements. Miele now runs on 110-volt standard outlets, so there's no longer a need to have a 240-volt outlet for your dryer, which does save on electrician costs if you're putting in a new install. If you already have a 240-volt outlet, don't worry. They do sell a convenient adapter that converts your 240-volt outlet to 2 110-volt outlets. Also, the dryer is ventless, so there's no need to have an external vent coming out of your home or apartment. One of the drawbacks to ventless dryers in the past was they didn't dry as well as standard vented dryers. Miele now uses a heat pump drying technology which dries on par with vented dryers. As we mentioned, you can't go wrong with a base washer and dryer at around $2,400 for the pair. However, our top selling Miele set is the one we recommend most. The killer feature on this set is the twin-dose automatic detergent dispensing system. You also get steam wash and dry, a ton of specialty wash cycles, and Wi-Fi connectivity to be able to control your loads remotely. We've included a link in the description below for this set, and if you're interested more in Miele, check out our full review of Miele washers and dryers. Next up, our best-selling compact laundry comes from Bosch. Most people know Bosch from their industry-leading quiet dishwashers. However, Bosch also builds excellent quality washers and dryers. Bosch hits a sweet spot with their units, offering great features and an attractive price point, which is likely the reason we see apartment developers and building managers we work with in New York City frequently choosing Bosch over other brands. Overall, the best Bosch pair to consider is their 800 series. With the 800 series, you get a 15-minute quick cycle for urgent needs, making the washer one of the quickest available on the market. Also, similar to the dishwasher lineup, Bosch makes some of the quietest laundry on the market, guaranteed not to disturb you while operating. For added peace of mind, Bosch includes AquaStop Plus, which detects any water leakage and will automatically pump out water in order to protect your floors. Bosch washer-dryer pairs operate on a single 240-volt outlet, and the dryer plugs into the outlet while the washer plugs into a special outlet directly on the dryer. Similar to Miele, the Bosch dryer is ventless. However, Bosch uses condensation drying, which isn't as efficient, but still does a great job gently drying your clothes. We've included a link in the description below for the 800 series washer-dryer we recommend. Looking for a good compact laundry pair, but prefer a vented dryer? Check out Samsung. Most of our customers that need a compact washer and dryer don't have the ability to vent to the outside, which is why the Miele and Bosch we mentioned feature some form of ventless drying technology. Ventless dryers do have some drawbacks, however. For starters, ventless dryers often take longer to dry than their vented counterparts. If you need a compact laundry pair but prefer the convenience of a vented dryer, this Samsung pair might be for you. Samsung brings a track record of proven success in the home appliance market and consistently produces stylish, successful products. This Samsung washer uses steam power to get rid of stubborn stains without damaging any of your fabric, and boasts 14 wash cycles and 8 selectable options for a wide range of washing power. As to be expected with a technology company, Samsung brings smart features to each of their appliances, and their new washer features Curator, a laundry assistant which allows users to monitor washing action, plan their next wash, be alerted of issues, and get troubleshooting solutions. Curator even offers washing cycles and options for specific fabric types, all within the Samsung Smart app. We've included a link in the description below for the Samsung compact washer and dryer we recommend. We hope this video has given you a starting point when it comes to selecting the best compact washer and dryer for your home or apartment. For more information, a visit to one of our stores is well worth your time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.